What's up, team? This is Antoine James, and in this training video, I'm going to show you how to trade triangles. That's right. We about to get into some good training today. Going to show you how to trade triangles. Not only am I going to show you how to trade triangles, I'm going to show you how to trade triangles using Mondays. That's right. I'm going to show you how to get your Mondays back. You are going to absolutely fall in love with Mondays after this training video. No more I hate Mondays. You're going to love Mondays. Probably going to hate the weekends because the market be closed unless you do Bitcoin or any crypto. But other than that, you're going to love Mondays. Now, you might be asking yourself, what is this Mondays? What is the significance of Mondays? I don't know. It's the beginning of the week. It's when the market's open. All right. So with that said, before we get into any training, let me give you some disclaimers. Listen, I'm not giving you any trade ideas or telling you to buy or sell or anything of that nature. I'm just giving you possible trade ideas of if the market does this can possibly happen. I have no way of knowing what the market can do. So, and if you decide to do any Forex trading, know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always seek one if you have any questions or in doubt, and never invest more than what you are willing to lose. If you cannot afford to lose it, you cannot afford to invest it. So with that said, let's get into some training and let's see what we can do. All right, so right now we are on a 4-hour time frame. We are going to be focusing on EJ, that's Euro JPY at the moment. So now, before we get started, one thing I want you to know is, you might want to write this down or whatever, is Mondays always create the left shoulder. Okay? That's important. That's very important. Mondays always creates the left shoulder. It doesn't matter if it's at the top of a Monday or at the bottom of a Monday. Just know that Mondays always creates the left shoulder. I'm going to show you that in a minute. We're gonna tie all this together. Head and shoulders, Mondays, triangles. Going to tie it all together. All right. Remember, Mondays always creates the left shoulder. Remember that. So, what we're going to do is we're going to find a Monday to focus on. Now, these boxes right here, these are all Mondays. All of these boxes are Mondays. Okay? Just know that. And I know some of you are going to want to get your hands on this system. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have some type of link or something somewhere so you can get information on this. But for right now, let's focus on the training. And the links is probably in the description. It might be something in this video that you can see. I don't know. We just have to see after I, finish and edit it. But Mondays always creates the left shoulder. All right, so we're going to focus on this Monday right here. Now, what we need to do is once we figure out what Monday we are at, we need to see if we broke out the high of Monday or did we break out the low of Monday first. As you can clearly see, we broke out of the high of Monday, meaning we broke out of this line. We broke and closed. We broke out of it. Okay. So then once we figure that out, we're gonna go get our triangle, and then got a triangle, and then since we broke out the high, we're going to put our base at the low and go up. If it was vice versa, we have our base at the high and our point at the low down here. So with that said, let's get into it. Boom, we draw a triangle. Come on, don't act up on me now. Sometimes this thing we don't have a mind of its own. Let's go ahead and draw another one. Sometimes you got to do it quick. Something like that. So we want to put this at the base. Let's change the color to something closer like that. Have our border black. So now our base lines up with our Monday's low. Try to put it as close as possible. Boom. Then we'll put our head goes at the highest point. At the highest point before the market starts to retrace. Okay. Now, once we determine which direction it broke out of, we want this market to come back well 100% of the move, meaning that since we broke out the high first, we want it to come all the way back down to the low. All right, so once that happens, now we know that we have 100% of the move has been confirmed. Okay? And that usually means a reversal. So we got 100% of the move confirmed. And now all we're going to do is just wait for this market to come back up here and retest our Monday's high. All right, and that's exactly what it did. The market came down 100%. Now it came up out of the zone, out of the bottom of Monday, but we're not going to worry about that at this point. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to wait for this market to come back up to Monday's high. All right, so let's just call this LSM for this is going to be LSM for left shoulder Monday. Now, it doesn't matter if it's on the top or bottom. Boom. And we're going to call this, I told you we're about to do head and shoulders, triangles, and Mondays. HOM for head of Monday. Alright, that's the head. That's the peak. Heads always stick out by itself. That's the head of the triangle. That's the head of the head and shoulders. Alright. And then once this market came back up, we need the equal distance from the left shoulder to the right shoulder. That's why we want this market. We want the market to come back up to the Monday's high, creating our right shoulder, and we sell the right shoulder. If it was an inverted head and shoulders, we buy the right shoulder. Okay, so gonna call this RSM. And will it be lowercase letters? Right shoulder Monday. Okay. Boom. So right shoulder Monday. And that's our head and shoulder pattern. Let me go ahead and draw that out real quick. Boom, 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 boom. Sometimes you gotta do it like this because this thing be acting kind of weird. Boom. Boom. Just gonna do that. Oh yeah, we gonna be, some of you gonna have some aha moments tonight, baby. Yes, sir. Gonna have them aha moments. Yes, sir. There we go. Yeah, head and shoulder kind of ugly, but hey, we just bring that over here. Y'all know that was where our retest came from. And what did I tell you what Mondays was? Always, Monday is always, do you see that? It says left shoulder, the head. RSM, right shoulder Mondays. Boom. There we have it. Then we came up here, create a right shoulder. We buy. We sell. Don't buy. I don't want you to blow your account. Oh, we sell the right shoulder on the head and shoulder pattern. Inverted, we'll buy the right shoulder. Boom. Sell that baby down. Okay. Now that you can see how the triangles create the head and shoulder pattern, I'm gonna duplicate this. No, we're not gonna duplicate it. We're just gonna create another one, and this is gonna be this is powerful right here. This is powerful. Let's make that right there, like so. Boom. Try to make this the same. Now what we're gonna do with this is powerful. Now we got two triangles the same length, okay? So what we do is we're gonna take this triangle and we're gonna bring it to the base of Monday low. Bring it to the base, right? Now why is this? This is a measured move equals distance. See, that's why we drew this triangle from the bottom all the way to the peak. We're gonna create another triangle the same length, same distance, and bring it to the base, and that's going to be our. Let me see if you know what it's going to be. You know what it's going to be? I know what it's going to be. This is going to be our take profit. Boom. And as you can see, we came up. No drawdown. Maybe a pipette, if that. And we brought this baby all the way down. Right to right there. That's where we're going to get out at. Boom. Woo! 86 pips of pure pleasure, baby. Let's go. Woo! That's powerful, baby. That's powerful. Now we talking about Mondays, triangles, head and shoulders, all in one. Integrated learning, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Would you be all right catching 86 pips of pure pleasure with no drawdown? I know I would. Man, that's powerful. Some of you just had an aha moment. And hey, go back and watch this video. I'm telling you, this is powerful. And I want to tell you something. If you come to me asking about this strategy, I got something to say. I'm gonna let my little homie say it though. Hey, what do we say when people ask about this strategy? I hope y'all can hear this.
It's not strategy, it's market structure.
Woo! Let's go. I don't think they heard it. What? Woo! What do we say when people ask about this strategy? We say what?
It's not strategy, it's market structure.
There we go. That's what I'm talking about. It's not strategy, it's market structure. Strategies only works until they doesn't work anymore. Market structure is market structure. This how the market moves, baby. That's how we do it over here. So with that said, man, I hope y'all got value out of this training. We got another setup over here. This is the current market. Already sent it to the team with some markups, what to look out for. And that baby is moving nicely. Hopefully it does what it needs to do for us to possibly make a profit. All right, so with that said, y'all, I hope you got value out of this. And if you want more information, pretty sure I got some links somewhere. It might actually be in a video somewhere. Comment, subscribe. Hey, I just want to teach you guys and hope you guys can become more profitable traders. That's all. So with that said, man, you guys have a blessed day, and I'll catch you on the next video.